Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new one. Today, we're actually going to be looking at a project that we're going to build. So, getting ready for physics class. Now, you're a physics teacher preparing for an upcoming semester. You want to provide your students with some functions that will help them calculate some fundamental physical properties. If you get stuck during the project, of course, we can do the video walkthrough and all of that. But yeah, let's get right into it. It's a pretty hefty one, so we'll take our time with this and see how we can do this. So first, we need to write a function called f to c that takes an input f, a temperature in Fahrenheit, and converts it to the temperature in Celsius. And it should return the c temp, right? So we have def, and then we have f to c, parentheses, it takes an input, f temp, so you have the f temp, and then it converts it to c temp, a temperature in Celsius, so it should return c temp. Okay, return c temp. Alright, now to do the actual calculations inside of here, your equation you should use is temp. So we have c temp equals f temp minus 32, and then times 5 out of 9. Okay. And then let's test our first, let's test our function with a value of 100 Fahrenheit. Okay. So f to c, I'll put in a value of 100 and define a variable 100F in Celsius and set it equal to that. Okay. And then let's actually try printing it out as well. See if it works. Yep. Looks like it is working. Fantastic. Okay. Now write a function called c to f that takes a c temp, converts it to the f temp. Alright. So we're converting f Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay. Okay. And for this one, we're converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? Yeah. It's gonna be def c to f. It takes in a c temp, and then it returns the f temp. Now f temp is going to be equal to the c temp times 9 over 5 and then plus 32. Okay, and then let's test our function with the value of 0 Celsius. So C 0 in Fahrenheit C to F, and we'll just put in 0 there. Cool. And then define a function called, actually let's go ahead and just print out both of these because you want to know what these are trying to say, right? Let's go ahead and print out both like so. Perfect, okay. And then define a function called getForce. Alright, so define getForce. That takes in mass and acceleration. So the mass acceleration. It should return mass multiplied by the acceleration. So it just returns mass multiplied by acceleration. Okay, now tested with the variables train mass and train acceleration. Save the result to a variable called train force and print it out. Train mass and train acceleration have been defined for you at the top. Make sure to uncomment those lines before using it. Okay. Alright, so we'll simply just uncomment these lines. Perfect. So we're gonna save it to this result equals get force, and you have train mass and train acceleration. There you go. And then we can just print it out. Train force. Perfect. Now print the string, the GE train suppliers. Print the string, the GE train supplies X newtons of force, and replace that. Okay. So we'll do this. Yeah, simply just get rid of that. And then, yeah, X. So plus train force. That didn't work. Let's see. See if that works. Okay, we have a syntax error right here. Okay. Let's see what part of it is not working. So the GE train supplies X newtons of force. Oh, okay, right here. That's the issue. Yeah, we need to also put a plus because we're conjoining those. Okay. Must be of string, not type in. Okay, so then we have to do this. Simply encapsulate it with the string, and there you go. Perfect. Yeah. So it took a little bit of work, but that's how we're gonna basically do it. Okay. So now define a function called getEnergy. Okay, so we'll do getting energy, and so we'll do get energy. Remember we need the def keyword right there, and then that takes in a mass and a c. And then c is the constant that is set to the speed of light, which is roughly 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 8. So set c to have the default value of 3 times 10, and then with an exponent of 8. Get energy should return mass multiplied by c squared. So return mass multiplied by c squared. Perfect. Test get energy on using the bomb mass with a default value of c. Save the result called bomb energy. Okay, so bomb energy equals get energy, and then we have the bomb mass, and then the default value of c. Okay, and then bomb mass has already been defined, so make sure you uncomment it. Yep, cool. And we'll go ahead and print out the bomb energy. And yeah, we get a whole big number. Let's see, bomb mass, yeah, it's a big number because this is a big constant. So yeah, got that one done, and then print the string. A 1 kg bomb supplies X joules, replace X by bomb energy. So I'm gonna do this time. So I figured out, instead of doing the whole thing, just do one at a time. Okay, so plus, and then bomb energy, right? Bomb energy plus, and now you can type in joules. And of course we need to make this a string. So to do that, you simply just wrap it like so, and run it, and it should do that. You need a space, and now it looks clean. That's actually really nice. All right, now define a function called getWork that takes in mass, acceleration, and distance. So we'll do calculating work. Calculating energy and calculating force, right? Okay. Calculating work. So we'll do def get work, and then it takes in a mass, acceleration, and distance. And then work is defined as force multiplied by distance. First, get the force using get force, then multiply that by the distance. Okay. So work is defined as force. Okay, it's defined as force multiplied by distance, right? So we need to get the force first. So to get that, we just simply do turn get force Just going to take in our mass and our acceleration, and then can multiply that by the distance, and return it. Perfect. And now test get work by using the train mass and train acceleration and the train distance. Save the result called train work. So train work is going to be equal to get work. And then you have, of course, train mass and then train acceleration. And then you also have the train distance, which again is all defined right here. So if you want to take a screenshot of this right now so you can refer back to it later. And then we have, just gonna close it out right there. Okay, it's good. Now print the string. The GE train does X joules of work over X meters. So we print the GE train does plus train work, and then plus the unit. We'll put in the units and also a little bit of text for the next line as well. Okay, plus, and then Y meters, so that's train distance, right? Train distance plus the units, which is meters. And remember, we have to wrap this again with a string. We have to make it a string, so simply just do this. And the reason why we're doing it is because right now it's an int still. Train work and train distance are both ints, and we can't have that really. We can't have that, so that's why we're doing it like that. And the GE train does blink joules of work over 100 meters. That's beautiful, perfect. So yeah, that was everything here. I was gonna, absolutely beautiful. So beautiful, just lines of code. Yeah, we just sat down and wrote like 30 plus lines of code, which is beautiful there. But yeah, that's gonna do it. And then I think we missed one of them. Find a function called, we already did that. Okay, yeah. So there you go. It's going to return this. Yep, perfect. All right. And yeah, that is going to end it. And if you guys want more projects like this, make sure to subscribe. If you're looking for an internship or job, check out the top link in the description. It's a free guide I made on how I got my internship. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.